yoga friends! Before we begin today's calming practice, remember to tap like and hit subscribe so you won't miss any relaxing and mindful sessions. Let's get started. Easy pose. Sit beautifully like a little lotus flower. Good job! Cat pose. Arch your back and say meow really loud. Excellent! Cow pose. Dip your back and say moo like a cow. Wonderful! Child's pose. Turn into a little rock, lying completely still. You are doing great! Dancer pose. Stand on one leg and dance like a dancer. Now switch sides. Superb! Revolved side angle. Twist your body like wringing out a wet towel. Now switch sides. Fantastic! Bound angle pose. Flap your butterfly wings to fly away and play. Nice job! Seated spinal twist. Turn your head to look behind you. You're doing great! Seated forward bend. Fold your body like folding a book. Keep it up! Bridge pose. Lift your hips up to make a high bridge. Amazing! Fish pose. Puff out your chest and swim like a fish. So relaxing. Knee to chest pose. Lie down, hug your knees, and curl up tight. Well done! Reclining bound angle. The butterfly I sleep soundly on a leaf.